are we up to?
5. Look at her hand.
It's 4. Put the 5th one up.
Don't make yourself sneeze.
Come on.
Try sneeze with your eyes open. Look at her. I can do it. Apparently it's impossible.
Really? Oh.
I can't do it. See? Yeah. Nah, you have to keep your eyes open when you sneeze.
You have to keep them open, like scream, like, where?
So scream when I sneeze.
No, don't scream.
You sneeze. You've got to keep your eyes open. It's impossible. Get it close up. Wait, I gotta.
Look how stoned you are. No.
Come on.
Okay.
Give it away.
You look so stoned.
You gotta make the sneezing sensation go away.
Just put dust up your nose. Pepper. Get pepper.
I'm
serious.
I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna make her sneeze.
I'll sneeze. We can all try.
You have to keep your eyes open.
Well, yeah, we'll all try. Get some pepper.
No, the reason get her eyes.
No, stop pretending.